Hello, dear friends. Actually, this is Shivakkumar again. Good afternoon. Thanks for watching my videos. And many people ask me actually after seeing the can the core HR can become an SAP HR consultant, right? Actually, so I have created these videos in Tamil, right? And so they are asking me to prepare a video in English language. So I have prepared the first part, and now this is the second part. So the first part covers the benefits of SAP HR, what is SAP HR, and benefits of SAP HR, and then actually the what are the modules available in SAP HR, HCM, that is organizational management, personal administration, wages, and then recruitment, payroll, benefits management, PCR, and then actually a lot of other things actually. So costing related, all this is and organization change management, everything, lot of modules are included in that. Then we have ESS, MSS, all these things have. And then actually what is the difference between the SAP HR and SAP HCM? SAP HR is a old one. So SAP HCM is an advanced web-based tool, or where all the views can be seen in the web portal. And SAP Success Factor is an advanced future, and it is integrated with it is relying on the SAP S4HANA platform. That is HANA database platform. So those are the difference, and it deals with the e-recruitment, the specialized futures. So these are the main difference between SAP HR, SAP HCM, Human Capital Management, and the SAP Success Factor. And we have a lot many advantages in implementing SAP HR in your organization compared to a traditional HRMS, that is Human Resource Management software. So many people actually, after seeing my videos, they are asking. I mean, actually, I think actually they approached me earlier also. Before watching my videos, they already trying to get to enter the SAP HR field. So one important thing, actually, I'm not a SAP HR guy, actually, or a SAP consultant. I mean, HR human resource consultant. I am from logistics, so I am totally zero in SAP HR or SAP HCM or MSS, ESS, or success factor, because actually I am from logistics. I am from SAP material management, warehouse management, extended warehouse management, sales and distribution, product and production planning, those logistics and manufacturing related area consultant. So when I am managing the projects, actually, so when managing the projects, people will come to know all the modules actually handled by their team members, or I mean in the project, right? As a team, actually they are handling, and the project manager can know the all the modules actually. Once actually they can know the can know all the modules in the sense the higher overview of the modules, right? What is inside, why we are going to use SAP HR or SCM or success factor thing, right? And many people asking me whether SAP HR is difficult to learn. I can say, I mean, based on the inputs from those people working in my team. So I heard lot of times complaining about SAP HR. It is very difficult to learn. Actually, lot of personal configuration nodes and everything need to be flexibly developed or configured or customized, so that actually it needs a lot of technical knowledge is required, where SAP HR having techno function knowledge can do the required, can write the PCRs, right? Those who are know 100% in PCR, they are the masters in human resource IT package field, okay, IT field. So whether SAP HR is difficult to learn and nobody could explain. So this factor nobody can explain, because it depends on each and individual person who can handle the, or interested to learn, or interested to show their interest, right? So let me share with you my thoughts, okay? So why SAP HR is complicated module, and why should not afraid to step into it, okay? And there are a number of reasons HR consultants paid a little bit higher on the market, and then why they are paid high, right? So that is a question. First of all, I need to say there is a clear and straightforward solution how to become profession. So I have mentioned in many of my blogs or videos, YouTube videos, about this, and you can read it very well. How to become an SAP consultant? Okay, it does not matter what SAP model you choose, but stay with there and then learn it perfectly. And you need to give a hard, impact or hard effort to learn them. Don't divert to other models. There is no cheat sheet to jump on the running train and get promoted in the months. So as I already mentioned, some persons advises, if you like to see my what they are suggesting, right? Actually, so here actually the efficient steps to catch up the SAP consultant career is to get into that. Actually, this one like that they will say. So back to HR and SAP. SAP is a very good package, and you can get a good package, right? SAP HR is a huge model, and lot of people think of it like a personal records. Okay, management of time and attendance or just a payroll, or it is not actually worth the thing. Okay, I can say it is not a truth also. So SAP HCM is all about the personal, but not at the chunk of the separate data. It's a whole integral solution which include personal records like management, time management, payroll, performance, talents, learning, recruiting, and much more is required. Payroll and everything. So it's all named SAP HR module or SAP HR suite called HCM. So architect level guys need to know all these chunks and how to marry them in a cake, right? So the tasty cake which is liked by everyone, that is important. And just preparing a cake is not a matter, but the cake should be liked by everyone, and it should have some demand, right? That is important. So other SAP modules have no such variety of functionality or components in case of SAP terms. This widespread of data management, reporting, and different technologies like old school assembler codings, info type approach, and porter solutions all in one module will have a definitely actually a bit complex for the SAP HR to learn. In a real life, nobody knows all the functions of all SAP HR components, because each country will have different employee policies, recruitment policy, payroll and wages, benefits. US will have different wage structure, benefit structure, insurance structure, medical claim, medical policies. India will have different, and wages we see. I already told, actually in India we are we are paid with monthly wages, and where in case of US or European countries, actually they are paid for the hourly work, right? Actually, say for example, I already told my friend who is working in Europe, actually, so he is getting per hour actually 450 GBP at the time in 2012, but now is per hour is getting more than that. If you calculate per hour, if is getting 450 GBP or pounds, so if you calculate for a day, say for example is working for 8 hours, and then actually calculate 8 into 450 GBP or pounds, and if you calculate for a week or a month, it will be more than what you are getting in India, in Indian or Asian countries. So definitely we cannot compare with the US and Europe, right? So this is a vast difference, and this is too much to know for one person, right? Actually, I can say actually at the initial point of view, actually you need to adjust more flexible in learning anything, right? And also in a real life, nobody know all the entire functions of SAP HR component. That's what I'm saying. Too much for a person to know all the details in a single shot with a minimum span of time. It's very difficult. Experience makes a man. So you need to learn more. That's why we have personal administration or organization management consultants in SAP HR, time management consultants, SAP payroll consultant, and a lot of other talented pool consultants. I mean, one per component, right? Saying these companies and recruiters don't make any distinguish with the HR model, and name of everybody in this TA or OM or recruitment or payroll, wages, all can be termed as a SAP HR consultant. While every component has its own importance and specifications, from the outsider point of view, all the modules can be taken as a SAP HR or SAP HCM or SAP success factor. But if you are getting into that, then you can know the difficulty in learning the modules. I particularly I say actually the PCR module, right? It is a difficult. Actually, it requires a lot of techno functional knowledge is required. So I hope actually whatever I understood, I tried to convey the message to all our subscribers and people who likes to watch my videos and who likes to follow the videos, right? So thanks for watching my videos. I tried to cover at max actually on the SAP HR, because actually I'm not from the human resource or SAP HR background. So I'm from a logistic guy actually managing the project. So whatever I came to know from my teammates who are working in SAP HR, they shared the knowledge. And thanks for everyone for reaching out me. Thanks for watching my videos. This is GB Shivakkumar signing off.